everyone, I hope you are doing awesome right there, and I welcome each and everyone to the journey of semester 2 ICSE class 10. Right, as overall, as you know very well that many students paper examination of semester 1 was really up to the mark, and many students have done phenomenal grade, and many students have done just little bit okay, but do not worry about that. We will be rocking the semester 2, and the journey of the semester 2 has been started, and you people, you have to remain the loyal with your exercise questions. You people have to remain loyal with my lectures. You people have to remain loyal with the questions which I will be letting you do. And remember, before starting the session, let me say you people that whatever the questions I have taken out or I will be doing right here, this all question is a board question. This all question is a year question. This all question which I will be letting you, that is the sure direct question. Generally, it is the year question which generally has come in 2016-2015 year question. Generally it has come. So without making any delay, let's start with a very fundamental, very one of the finest as well as little bit tricky chapter as you feel, trigonometry. Right, as I did a vote of a poll, right, in case of YouTube also, in case of Telegram also, maximum students, they think trigonometry is a little bit tricky, little bit difficult as they feel. If you people feel that trigonometry is a little bit difficult as well as tricky, do not worry, because after 3 to 4 lectures I will make the best friend of yours. That means you can proudly say, sir, at the end trigonometry has become the best friend. All right, before making any delay, let me start a phenomenal topic, trigonometry. Trigonometry you know very well, that is the known as measurement of sides. Trigonometry generally based on right angles triangles. Trigonometry generally based on right angles triangles, in which you can say, sir, it is a measurement of side. That means trigonometry is a term of a science. Trigonometry is, you can say, trigonometry is a science which deals with the measurement of triangles. And which kind of triangles it depends? Only it depends on a right angle triangle. Let us assume you know very well ABC, and also you know very well, my dear most children, P, B, H, और गति बढ़ेगा, रफ्तार बढ़ेगा, लेक्चर का रफ्तार बढ़ेगा, and I will not let you do very easy, means in a very details wise. I will be telling you everything little where it is important to say in a very well manner. I will be letting you know, but गति बढ़ेगा, रफ्तार बढ़ने वाला है, right, in the chapter, and you people have to cooperate me regarding it. All right, A, B, C, in which P, B, H. Okay, and after trigonometry, that is comes a T ratio. Now you might be thinking, sir, T ratio is known as trigonometry ratio. You can say trigonometry ratio, you can say T ratio. Why I am letting you do right now, and how the T ratio came, how the sine came, how the cos came, you don't need to understand yet. Only the thing you need to understand, that is the few concept you need to understand, because it's not going to help you anymore in the 10th grade. If you might be having more time, 90 minutes, 90 days, 100 days, or 200 days, you might have had with you, then also it was okay. That means what, I would have taught you in a very well manner, but you don't have time. All right, T ratio. In case of T ratio, my dear most children, there are having 6 type of T ratios. What are they? Sine, right, sine, then after cos, let me write here, cos, tan. Okay, and let me write here for tan, cot. Let me write here cot. Then after, my dear children, cot, sec, cosec. See, very interesting. Sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. There are having 6 trigonometry ratio, very important as well as interesting. In case of 6 trigonometry ratio, the very first, that is known as sine. That means known as sine. Sine, that means having here tangent here, cotangent here, secant here, cosecant, and here this type of things are there, but you don't need to understand. This is only the thing you need to understand, because gati बढ़ने वाला है इस lecture में. Sine is known as P by H. Sine is known as P by H. You might have learned in the 9th grade. So little bit recap I am doing. Sine is known as P by H. Cos is known as B upon H. Tan is known as, I will be letting you do about tan. It's a very having a great trick about tan. And the sec is known as the opposite of cos. See, sec is known as the opposite of cos, H upon B, and the cosec is known as beta, the opposite of sine, H upon P. Do you know what is a sine called? Tan called? Tan is known as sine upon cos. Tan is known as sine upon cos. Cot is known as vice versa, cos upon sine. That means what, beta? Sine is known as, what is the sine value? P upon H. What divided by cos is there na? Cos value is H upon P. So h got cancelled, p upon b. That means you can proudly write p upon b. Is it clear? Is it clear? P upon b, and you can just make it a vice versa. That means you can just make it opposite, b upon p. That means moral of the story you have got here, that sine is known as p upon h, sine ka ulta cosec, which is known as h upon p. Then after cos, which is known as b upon h, then after sec is known as h upon b, tan is known as p upon b, cot is known as p upon p. These are the things, these are the lecture which you need to understand pretty well, right? So now you might be saying, sir, in the school they have taught tangent, and g anti-tangent, no need of the tangent, cotangent, secant. So these are the things you don't need to understand it. Right, these are the things no need to understand. Only in the short form we have to write this is tan cot theta in this way, right? So these are the known as T ratio. Now I will be talking about the reciprocal function. This was the part 1 function. This was the function number part 1, right? Then after I will be letting you to part 2. Part 2, relation functions. Let me do your relation functions. Relation functions. See, in the consensus, the way it is there, if I will be teaching you in a very details, I will be taking near about, if I will be uploading the 25 to 30 minutes lecture, I will be taking near about 50 numbers of lecture if the way it is there in the 10th grade. So I need to do it very minimized. I have to read it very short so that you people can also read it very well and see the moral of the story. We should not leave anything, and I won't leave you anything, don't worry. Coming to the relationship function, what did I say, my dear most student, before that? I said sine opposite is cosec. If I can say, that means sine, suppose let us understand theta, sine theta, let us understand this is theta, right? Sine theta equals to 1 upon cosec theta. Is it clear? Sin theta equals to 1 upon cosec theta, or else you can say, my dear most children, sin theta times cosec theta equals to 1. My dear most children, please note it down in your copy. Without writing you cannot understand anything. So for moral of the story, let me have a evaluate of this. Sin theta is known as, beta, what sin theta? Sin theta is known as p upon h times into cosec theta is known as h upon p. That means everything got cancelled, which will become 1. This is clear. That means the first formula we have created, that is sin theta equals to 1 upon cosec theta. Another formula also, let me create that, my beautiful children, that tan theta 1 upon cot theta. That means what? Tan theta times cot theta, ये border पार चला जाएगा, equals to 1. This also you have understood pretty well. Another is cos theta equals to 1 upon sec theta, in which cot theta times sec theta equals to 1. This is understood. Let me see whether it is visible or not. Yes, everything is visible, clear. Did you understand everything, my dear most children? Acha, this is the relation function. Please note it down as soon as possible, and it is going to help you out. It is going to help you a lot. Right now you might be thinking, sir, please sir, the way you have done sin theta as we understood, you have to do, because you people can do by your own, because we don't have much time, right? I have to make the lecture in speed, because we don't have time. I have to complete the entire semester 2 course. Remember this, my dear most children. Coming to the now but quotient. Coming to the quotient functions. Quotient relation function, you can say, or quotient function. What is there in the quotient function? Only दो, in case of quotient function, वहाँ का हीरो 2 होता है. कौन होता है ना बाबू? tan होता है as well as cot होता है. tan का हीरो कौन है? The tan is known as sin upon cos. Sin upon cos, cos is known as sin, cot is known as cos upon sin. This is the quotient function. This is the quotient function. What is there, my dear most children? Tan equals to sin upon cos, cot is equals to cos upon sin. This is the quotient function. Is it clear? Now let me talk about trigonometry identities. These are the things you have to understand is pretty well. And now you might be thinking, sir, how we can understand, how we can memorize? अगर तुम सोचो सर हम याद करेंगे, याद ना करना बेटा, याद ना करना. जिंदगी में अगर सक्सेसफुल होना है, याद मत करना. How? You have to do random practice. What practice you will be doing? I will be saying you. Do not worry about that. Let me erase this a bit off, and let me talk about the trigonometric identities. Now let me talk about identities. There are having 3 types of identities? No, there are having 9 types of identities. But 3 types, अगर 3 याद रख लोगे सब कुछ याद रहेगा. पहला होता है sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. How it came? उसका एक लंबा चौड़ा डेरिवेटिव इज देयर, राइट, विच आई कैनॉट मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड हियर. तो दिस आर द थिंग्स यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. लंबा चौड़ा डेरिवेटिव अगर समझना है तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन what I can say, you can comment right there. If possible, I shall bring a lambda lecture to you. Do not worry. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. This is the formula number 1. And you people must might be you people can say, sir, can we write in this way? What beta? Sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Yes, you can write. Sir, can we write in this way that cos square theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta? Yes, you people can write in this way. Is it clear? Another is that 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta equals to cosec square theta. So another thing, let me say, so can I make it, so you can people also write it on in this way that, sir, can we write in this way? What better? Now you can even write this cot square वहाँ पर चला जाएगा equals to 1. That means cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1 भी हो सकता है. Another formula is 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. These are the thing why I am letting you do here, because this all formula we will be applying in the next questions. This सब questions का apply करेंगे. Do not worry, you people can do everything. I am pretty sure, and I will make you do, and I will make the trigonometry the best friend I said, and I will do it. 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. इतना याद रखो. Then after you have to make it by your own. Okay, for more details, the picture is there over here. You people can see it. The picture is there. You people can see it. Is it clear? Can you see? Okay, चलो. More, let me erase this. Okay, chalo, the very important at the, let me take a very first question, and I will make you fall in love with trigonometry, trust me. The very first question, it is there. I am you people also write it on the question with me. That is, you have to prove what na tan a plus cot a equals to, it is given sec a into cosec a. Sec a times cosec a. See, very important as well as interesting. In the 95% cases you have to take, अगर बात आ गया tan और cot का मतलब, you have to put quotient relationship. I repeat my dear most children, अगर tan a cot a का बात चल गया तो you have to put the quotient relationship function formula. What are the quotient relationship function formula? The quotient relationship function formula was tan a equals to sin a by cos a. Sin a by cos a. Is it clear? In the same formula you have to put it out. वो होता quotient formula. Cot a का formula होता ये वाला cos a upon sin a. Right. Then afterward, the tan a equals to, let me put it out, sin a upon cos a plus cot a equals to cos a upon sin a. Right. First, always you have to take the LHS part. Whenever you are doing some numericals, anything, always try to do LHS. RHS को भूल जा, automatic निकलेगा. We have to take LCM. Cos a times sin a. What to do with the LCM of cos a sin a? Cos a times sin a. And maximum people that think meta, that sir, maximum students that don't know how to take it out of the formula. अगर नहीं पता तो पता लगाओ. ये जो साइन होता है ना, ये वाला इससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, और ये वाला जो कॉस है ये उससे मल्टीप्लाई. दैट मींस सी साइन ए विल गेट डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. साइन ए विल डायरेक्टली गेट मल्टीप्लिकेशन विद साइन ए, व्हिच विल बिकम sin square a, plus cos a will become multiplication with cos a, which will become cos square a. So remember, little bit earlier I said that in case of identities, sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1. That means, can I put it in this way? Yes sir. Now you might be thinking, sir आपको तो पता चल गया कहाँ पे क्या put करना, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? Sir, you understood where to put what, but how you people will understand where to put this? Do not worry. अगर तुम प्रैक्टिस करोगे, प्रैक्टिस के साथ साथ तुम्हें पता भी चल जाएगा. पता कैसे चलेगा? Don't worry. You have to see my 3 to 4 lectures. If you people will see my 3 to 4 lectures, everything will be okay, and you people can score 40 out of 40, and you people will score 40 out of 40. And this is not the important question of the board exam, but the question which I will let you do after this. This is the important. It is the direct question. So can I write in this way? 1 upon cos a times 1 upon sin a. रिलेशन फंक्शन में देखो 1 upon cos a को मैं लिख सकता हूँ कैसे करके, sec a टाइम्स 1 upon sin a को लिख सकता हूँ cos a के. See, it is there. That is hence proved. Then after below of the right, you have to the hence proved. Is it clear? Yes sir. Another question, let me do it over here. Another question. It is the board question. It is the board question. Okay, and it is not a board question. The board question which is really coming, it is the type of question you should understand. It is there in this way in the exercise question. If you are following ML Agarwal, if you are following conscience, this type of question is there. This type of question is there. My dear most students, do not ignore. 1 plus cot square 1 plus cot whole square plus 1 minus cot a, suppose it is a cot a whole square, equals to, it is given, my dear most children, 2 cosec a. 2 cosec a. सी हाउ टू डू, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. 1 प्लस कॉट ए होल स्क्वायर, ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर, ए प्लस बी का होल स्क्वायर का फॉर्मूला लगाना, ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab, सॉरी प्लस 2ab. इज इट क्लियर? Okay, then a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, a square, a का square 1 का square 1, a square plus b square cot a into cot a, cot square a minus 2ab 2 cot a, 2 into 1 cot a. तो माइनस प्लस कैंसल, मिला क्या? 1 plus 1 2 मिला, 2 plus 2 cot square. Is it clear? Then what you gonna do in this way? 2 plus 2 cot square है. That means can I take it over 2? See how to do now. How to do? I will be taking 2 as a common. I will be taking 2 as a common. मैं 2 यहाँ पर कॉमन ले लिया बेटा. मैं यहाँ पर 2 कॉमन लेकर मुझे क्या मिला? चलो ये वाला 2 कॉमन अगर लिया तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 1 plus cot square है. अगर मैं यहाँ पर कॉमन लेता, तुम नाउ यू मैट थिंकिंग सर आप कॉमन ले ले, आपको पता चला, हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? डोंट वरी, एवरीथिंग यू पीपल कैन अंडरस्टैंड, डोंट वरी. सो इन केस ऑफ आइडेंटिटी लिटिल बिट अर्लियर आई सेड sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल्स टू 1. बोलो मेरे साथ sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस cos स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल्स टू 1, एज वेल एज अनदर इज 1 प्लस cot स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल्स टू cos x स्क्वायर थीटा. 1 प्लस cot स्क्वायर थीटा और 1 प्लस cot स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू cos x स्क्वायर a. सो 2 times cos x स्क्वायर a. Is it clear? LHS equals to RHS. Similarly, one of the most important problem for the constant selena, it is there in the RS Agarwal. It is there in 10th grade CBSE. I'm sorry. One of the constant selena it is there, as well as it is, my dear most student, it is also there in ML Agarwal. Please look at the question. This is the question that where it is. I saw na. Yeah, it is there. I got it. 1 minus 10a whole square beta times 1 plus 10a whole square. 1 plus 10a whole square equals to what it is given? 2 sec square a. It is the important as well as a board question. It is a board question, 2 मार्क का चमकता है ऐसे करके, एंड 2 मार्क या 3 मार्क भी चमकता है. सेक्शन बी बड़े भैया और दीदी से पूछ लेना. चलो यू कैन डू वेरी वेल. चलो आई एम गिविंग यू 2 minutes, सर 2 minutes more, 2 seconds. Pause the video and do it. Over. चलो next. 1 minus 10 a whole square, a square minus b, a square minus a plus a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2ab minus 2ab. Then after a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, 2ab. That means a square plus b square का formula direct I have to put it out. Then after minus 2a plus 2a got cancelled. 2 plus 10 square है बेटा, 2 plus 2 10 square है, 2 कॉमन लगा, 1 plus 10 square है. In the case of trigonometric identities, I said again, say speak with me that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1, 1 plus cot square theta equals to cos square theta, 1 plus 10 square theta equals to sec square theta. That means 2 sec square theta. बात खत्म. आई बात समझ में? yes or no? If yes, please do a big like over there for my all the dedication and hard work. Oh, the question was not visible. Acha, the question was not visible to my beautiful students. I think now it is visible. Acha, it was not visible before. Acha, is it clear? Is it clear to everyone? Right? Acha, next. This is the clear to everyone. Another question, very important as well as interesting question. Please note it down as soon as possible in your copy and take a screenshot if you want, or else if you are writing with me is very well and good. Another is very interesting question, is very important questions. Cot a plus 10, it is also year question. Cot a plus 10 पता है, ऐसा क्वेश्चन कराऊंगा बोर्ड में, cot कॉपी पेस्ट क्वेश्चन आएगा, लिख लो मेरा बात. Cot a plus cot b, it is no, sorry, tan b, I am sorry beta. Cot a plus tan b upon cot b plus tan a equals to cot a into tan b. Cot a times tan b. Can you do? Yes sir. How? See, what did I say? अगर cot और tan का जिक्र होगा तो तुम्हें क्वेश्चन फॉर्मूला लिखना है. cot a, ध्यान से देखो, ध्यान से सुनो. cot a का मतलब cot a it is given my dear student. cot का मतलब क्वेश्चन. tan का होता है sin by cos, cot का होता है cos by sin. cot a, that means cos a sin a. Can I write? Yes. tan b, that means what? Sin 10 be sin b by cos b. Then after cot b, cot का उल्टा फिर से लगाओ, cos b अपॉन sin b. बोलो जय माता दी की जय. 10a then sin b, sorry, sin a times cos a. Right? Is it clear? RHS को हमेशा भूल जाओ, कोई बात नहीं. Then after what I gonna do, my dear student, I am doing here, I am doing, see, don't do this. तुम्हारे प्रोसेस में एग्जाम में जब लिखोगे ऐसे करके लिखना है. तो what you gonna do now, my dear student? Now I have to take the LCM. Can I take the LCM? Yes sir. How I will be taking the LCM, my dear children? LCM I have to take it, right? Now sin a into cos a, sin a cos b, सॉरी ये वाला का LCM लेता हूं. तो यहाँ पर क्या होता है? cos a टाइम्स cos b प्लस sin b टाइम्स sin a. LCM कैसे लेना है बच्चों? देखो यहाँ पर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. हाउ शैल आई टेक द LCM? ये वाला का जो न्यूमरेटर है ना, it is a numerator, it is a denominator. This numerator I have taken this sin a into cos b into cos b. मतलब cos b यहाँ पर आगे मल्टीप्लीकेशन हो जाएगा. जो cos b होता है ना वहां पर जाएगा मल्टीप्लीकेशन हो जाता है. cos a into cos b, तो sin a into sin b, ये वाला जो sin होता है into sin b. ओके, देन आफ्टर द सेम थिंग, डिनोमिनेटर फिर से लिखो, वही वाला, वही लफड़ा फिर से होगा बेटा. अच्छा, वही लफड़ा फिर से होने से क्या? sin b टाइम्स cos a, देन आफ्टर cos b इंटू, देखो ये वाला वहां पर चला जाएगा, ये वाला वहां पर cos a प्लस sin a इंटू cos b, sin b. Okay, then after, then I have to put equals to, then after divide a cross multiplication I gonna do. That means let me write cos a times cos b plus sin b times, अरे यार let me cancel it. बच्चे बहुत बड़े हो गए हो ना, मैं इसको यहाँ पर कैंसिल कर दिया. कैंसिल हो सकता है? हाँ हो सकता है सर. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके कैंसिल हो सकता है. इफ आई कैन डू कैंसिल, तो यहाँ पर क्या हो, ये वाला ऊपर चला जाए. अरे भाई फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल पी, सपोज फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल न्यूमरेटर 1 बाई डिनोमिनेटर 1 अपॉन न्यूमरेटर 2 बाई डिनोमिनेटर 2. न्यूमरेटर 1 बाई डिनोमिनेटर 1, न्यूमरेटर 2 बाई डिनोमिनेटर 2, ऊपर जब जाएगा न्यूमरेटर 1 बाई डिनोमिनेटर 1 टाइम्स डिनोमिनेटर 2 बाई न्यूमरेटर 2. रेसिप्रोकल आ जाता है. बच्चे थोड़ी ना मैं सिखाऊं ऐसे करके. देन आफ्टर दिस विल गो अप, sin b टाइम्स cos a अपॉन sin a अपॉन cos b. इज इट क्लियर? sin b इंटू cos a. अब क्या होगा? अब क्या होगा? देन आफ्टर कैन आई डू इन दिस वे दैट, माय डियर मोस्ट चिल्ड्रन, इन दिस वे, या लेट मी राइट इट डाउन इन दिस वे दैट, अब मैं इसको सजा देता हूं. सजाने के बाद sin b अपॉन cos b लेट मी डू. देन आफ्टर cos a अपॉन sin a लेट मी डू. द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, सी sin b बाय cos b क्या होता है? tan b होता है ना, टाइम्स cos a इंटू sin a क्या होता है बच्चों? cot a. दैट मीन्स, सी, डिड आई गेट दिस? Did I get this? This is all about, and this is the year question. This is the PYQs 2007 का क्वेश्चन, 2007 22007 question. Let us do another question. Let us do another question. The lecture is getting lengthy. No problem, because our main mission is to kill all the questions. Everything, or to up to this much we gonna do. Let me take another very good questions. Shall we take, or this much? Okay, I think the lecture is getting lengthy. Today is the first class, the first lecture. I hope we should keep over here, and these are the practice question. You have to do it. Another I will be coming the practice question. Don't worry, trigonometry will become a best friend. I hope this is the very interesting session. अगर तुम्हें अच्छा मार्क्स लाना है, अगर तुम जीरो से हीरो होना चाहते हो, तो तुम्हें हर कुछ करना पड़ेगा. हर लेक्चर तुम्हें देखना पड़ेगा. Then after you have to do it everything with your own heart. With your own heart, with your own level and spirit. Thank you very much. Signing off for the today, and coming back stronger in the next session. And yes, I always say, I am saying each and everything you will be getting free. एक चीज मैं तुम्हें फ्री दूंगा, एक चीज, स्टार्टिंग विद नोट्स, टॉपर नोट्स, क्वेश्चन, इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, श्योर शॉट क्वेश्चन, द क्वेश्चन विच विल बी कमिंग इन द एग्जामिनेशन. ईच एंड एवरीथिंग आई विल बी गिविंग. द वे यू हैव सपोर्टेड me, the way you have shared your love with me, I cannot forget, and That's the reason I great salute to you all very much. And one more thing before leaving the session, let me say you thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much, and for the entire love and support, thank you again. So signing off for the today, coming in the lecture number 2 in case of trigonometry. Keep smiling and study hard. God bless all.